Mike Hughes here. I'm at FrogSpit. I just love the name, so I have to stop by and see what these crazy guys have invented next. And David, you have something that you created.
Yeah, we're expanding our line a little bit. We have had people ask us about, stinky wetsuits, and we've come out with the new FrogSpit brand Stink and Stain Eliminator. It's an amazing product. It's enzyme based. You just spray it on, get the area that's affected wet, let it dry. The enzymes come alive. They eat all the organic material that causes that stain or stink. When it's dry, it smells like a new piece of equipment. It does encapsulate the smell when you first spray it on, so that it smells nice while it's working. But once it dries and goes away, it actually turns into carbon dioxide and water as it dries. And when you're done, there's no residue. It smells like a new piece of equipment. It's amazing stuff. Give it a try. You'll really be impressed.
And basically spray it everywhere that your brother's ever touched or
exactly
been.
Yeah, or if you have a little pet that's making little messes, that works perfect for that too.
There you go.
Anything that stinks, even your brother.
Yeah, or FrogSpit for cats.
There you go. Absolutely.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you.